Hi! I will be painting this little bird today. And I will be explaining a little bit of the process and what I'm doing. I'm using this arches paper and I divided it in half. I will be using Schminke Horadam watercolors, these 4 tubes, which are on this palette. So these are the brushes and pencil I will use. I start off with a pencil sketch. I try to make it pretty accurate, and here I'm finishing it off. I'm laying down the first layers, pretty light layers. I sort of consider the first layers to be sort of like a sketch on top of the sketch. It doesn't have to be very precise. But I'm bearing in mind that I have to keep within the lines. But the correct shade is not that important yet. These first layers are something to build upon later on. I'm already going in with some minor details, some shadowing, and some textures. I'm making sure I get the right shape of the eye and leaving that little highlight. I'm adding a warmer tone to some areas to make the sense of a warm light. Adding more texture, small feathers. I'm making sure the paper is dry before I erase the pencil underneath. So I will be remaking his little tail feather with a more accurate sketch. So I've changed to a smaller brush now, and I'm doing a little bit more detailed work. I usually start off with a bigger brush and then tend to go toward a smaller brush. A big brush is for larger areas and a small brush is for small details. So now I'm sketching the new tail feather, making sure it's the right angle and length, laying the first layers on his little tail feather, adding those shadows to his wings. This is my most favorite part. Building layer upon layer, line upon line, piece by piece. He's coming alive. All these small brush strokes all adds. They all add something. To me, the hardest parts of the bird is the feet, the tail feather, and the beak. And also getting the right shape of the bird. At this stage, I'm using very little water. It's quite a dry painting, so it's drying rather quickly. At these last stages, it's all about getting all the details in place. Every little bit of feather and every little bit of shadow, highlight, all those downy feathers. Adding texture to this log was really a delight with this paper. This paper really wants to help you add texture. So for wooden objects, this is perfect. So this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!